Hey my dear friends, today I'm going to show you best software for graphic design. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Without wasting time, let's jump into video. So I like to start with Adobe Photoshop. So Adobe Photoshop is arguably the most popular graphic design software, and it is used by millions of artists around the world. Whether you are looking to create banners, posters, website or logos, this software can do it all. It offers a vast set of photo correction, manipulation tools, cutting-edge generative AI features, and a slick user interface. So consider about pros. This is the industry standard tool and powerful features and extensive plugin support. But consider about cons. This is a little bit expensive and it has a steep learning curve. So I think this is best for professional photo editing and graphic design. So you can download the Photoshop using adobe.com products photoshop.html. So the next one is also Adobe product, that is Adobe Illustrator. So Adobe Illustrator is the best graphic design software for vector graphics design, and it provides the versatility to craft everything from logos to floor plans. And Illustrator shines brightest as a tool for creating complex vector graphics. So this is excellent for vector graphics, and it has extensive typography options, advanced color manipulations. But the cons are this is subscription based and the best for vector graphic and illustration. So you can download that using www.adobe.com products illustrator.html. The third option is CorelDRAW graphic suite. So CorelDRAW graphic suite is a professional grade graphic design software that offers a wide range of tools for vector illustration, layout, photo editing and typography. It is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Consider about pros. It is a comprehensive tool, user-friendly interface, great for vector and raster graphics. But cons are it is quite expensive. So this is best for all-in-one illustration and page design. You can download that one using www.coreldraw.com en products CorelDRAW. So let's go with the fourth option. This is a Affinity Designer. And Affinity Designer is a low-cost alternative for Adobe Illustrator, offering a powerful vector and raster editing tools. It is known for its smooth performance and user-friendly interface. Consider about pros. This is an affordable one and powerful vector and raster editing and no need to subscription. And consider about cons. Limited advanced features compared to Adobe products, and this is best for budget conscious designers. You can download this one using affinity.serif.com enus designer. Let's go with the fifth option. This is a Canva. I think most of the people heard about Canva. Canva is an online graphic design platform that offers a range of easy to use tools for creating social media graphics, presentation, posters and more. It includes a vast library of templates and design elements. So consider about pros. This is easy to use and it has an extensive template library and great for social media graphics. Consider about cons. This is a limited advanced features. So this is best for beginners and professional branded content. And the last, you can go to www.canva.com. It is very easy and you need to log into it. If you have account, you need to log in, and if you're new to Canva, you need to sign up using your Gmail account. And the last option is GIMP. GIMP is a free and open source graphic design software that offers a wide range of features for photo editing and graphic design. It is a great alternative to Adobe Photoshop for those on budget. So the specialty is this is a completely free, open source and powerful features. And consider about cons. It has a steep learning curve and less polished interface. So this one is best for budget conscious designers and photo editing. So these are the 6 softwares I need to show you to photo editing and graphic design. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.